Hi, so welcome back to our seminar series. In today's clip, we'll be showing you how we attack the sentence correction question on the GMAT. The skills we use will enable you to accurately, efficiently find the correct answer in the least amount of time. So let's get started. Let me give you a bit of background on the sentence correction question on the GMAT. The core concepts that are tested on the test would be grammar. There are 5 grammar topics: verbs, pronouns, modifiers, parallelism, and idioms. The next thing they test you on is what we call the GMAT language, as opposed to the English language. And lastly, the concept of evaluating original meaning. Now, this is one of the toughest concepts that they test you on. However, in today's session, we're only going to be looking at the grammar. So let's get started. Here's what a question looks like. You'll see that parts of it are underlined. If you like the original sentence, just choose choice A. However, if you want to change anything, choose one of the choices below. So press pause, pick an answer that you think is right, and then come back and watch our solution. All right, when we attack a question, what we usually do is look for the things that the GMAT is testing you on. And what's obvious is the concept of pronouns in this question. So you see the word they, right? And it's everywhere. It's in almost all choices except for E. Now, they is a plural pronoun. Therefore, we need to look for a plural noun for this pronoun to refer to. Is it Napoleon? No, because there's only one Napoleon here. Is it army? No. If it were to be army, it should be written as armies, right? That's plural. So it's not army. Is it Russia? Nope. Is it supplies? No. How do you know it's not supplies? We take supplies and we plug it in there and we replace the word they with supplies. Supplies had in their previous campaign. See how that doesn't make sense? Supplies can't have or had anything. Now that we've figured this out already, what do we do next? All 4 are wrong. E's the answer. There are other issues in this question as well that you could check, but other issues would not take you to the most efficient route. Now, let's look at one more. Press pause, pick an answer, and come back and watch our solution. Okay, same thing. Whenever we approach a question, we're always looking for what the GMAT is testing you on. In this question, there is a comparison issue. So comparison falls under parallelism. So as I'm looking at this question, I see the word better, right? When you're comparing better, you need the word than. You don't just say better, you say better than. But look at all the distractors that they throw in for us. Better instead of, better rather than, better instead of, better rather. You can't say better with any of these words. So what do? All wrong. And then let's take a look at our pair. Better than. There we go. E is our answer. That's it. Why spend time looking for things that are going to take 2, 3, 4 steps to do when you can zoom into the most efficient trigger? One more. Press pause and come back and watch the solution. Okay. In this question, what's behind the scenes is something called an idiom, not only but also. When you have not only but also, you also have the concept of parallelism. Not only X, but also Y. So X and Y need to be parallel. I'm scanning through my choices. I'm using not only but also as my markers. So for example, if I'm looking at A, I'm already seeing this pair. When I look at B, I'm already seeing this pair. C, same thing, not only but also. D, same thing. and then E, same thing. As I scan through each choice, I'm making sure that my X, which is the word right after not only, in this case it's the word are, needs to be grammatically parallel with the word right after, but also, in this case, it's the word on. And in A, it's not. Are is a verb, but on is a preposition. Gone. Let's look at B. Not only on, but also on. Looks nice. Let's keep that. Let's look at C. Not only on, but also, let's go back upstairs. It says, but also, well, these two aren't parallel. C is gone. Let's look at D. Not only the, but also on. Again, these two aren't parallel. D is gone. Not also on, and then, but also not parallel. E is gone. What do we have left? It's gonna be B. B's our answer. So as you can see, through these 3 questions that we've shown you, we take the most efficient and accurate route to hit the right answer. If you're interested in learning with us, contact us through one of the following channels, and we look forward to sharing our methods with you.